Hey folks, down here at the hangar. I came down on Saturday. I wanted to check on some things and brought a friend down so he could tour the hangar and see what we're doing. But I'm pleased to report that I got the landing gear valve in, and let me turn the camera around. I've got the landing gear valve all installed down in there, and I'm very happy to report that we don't have any leaks. It's really good. And let me get down here a little bit. And I've also filled up the reservoir. You can see where we're at. We're almost to the full part. So let me climb down in here a bit. So yeah, there's a landing gear valve, dry as a bone. It's fantastic. Really happy about that. And you may have seen from earlier videos how much stuff there is going on in this center console. It's uncovered now. I have to safety the landing gear cables. I'll do that this week. But yeah, once upon a time, this cabin had absolutely nothing in it. There was no roof on it, no instrument panel. The center console was gone, the seats, the control columns, all of this stuff back here. There was absolutely nothing in this cabin. And we've gone through and we've reworked everything, cleaned and painted and reassembled and put it all back together again. So hold on just a minute and I'll get out of the airplane. So John is over here merrily polishing cowls. He's so happy. Let me get over here to the other nacelle. And this valve here, the one that had the leak on the B-nut up there, appears to also be totally dry. So very, very pleased with that. Okay, sorry, I had a phone call. Anyway, so we've got the carburetor mounted. It's all hooked up. We are ready to throttle up. I'm pretty excited about that. The fellas have been, we've got the harnesses in here and they've started wiring that up. We've got this harness in. This is going to go when the intake plenum gets on. There's a temperature sensor in there that this will be hooked up to. You A26 guys know all this. This engine is really close to being ready to install. I see that Bob's got the tach generator hooked up and ready to run. I've been working on getting these harnesses safetied so that they don't move around. So this is the mag harness. It's all good and solid. It's not moving. So you've got one harness for mag here. The other one crosses underneath and goes over to here to hook up to this magneto. Then you've got the prop feathering electrical wire. That's all done and contained. It kind of runs out on the other side, right down through there. And then I've got the CHT wire. I've got that ran. We're not going to tie it off because I don't have the ring terminal for the spark plug. But that hopefully will be here in the next couple of weeks. But let me turn this around. I'm really hoping that the day before Thanksgiving Day, we can hang this engine. Just a little bit more to do. We'll see how that works out. Anyway, there's an update for you. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.